Hello and welcome to How to Use PressReader from Newfoundland and Labrador Public Libraries. The first step is to have a valid library card with the Newfoundland and Labrador Public Libraries. You can get your library card online at www.nlpl.ca under Become a Member. Just follow the directions, or you can refer to our tutorial, How to Get a Library Card Online. What device will you use? Laptop, desktop, tablet, or phone? PressReader will work on all these platforms. Make sure you have your library card handy. Let's access PressReader on a laptop or a desktop. First, let's find the digital library. We need to go to www.nlpl.ca or Google NLPL. When you Google, you'll see Home for the Newfoundland and Labrador Public Libraries and NLPL Digital Library. So let's go to the home page first. You can access the digital library either on the tabs through the top of the home page or next to the icon in the middle of the screen. The page for the digital library looks like this: https://digitallibrary.nlpl.ca/. If you don't have a library card, follow the link by clicking on the button Register Online. Please sign in using your library card number. The library card number is the 13-digit number located under the barcode on your library card. Your PIN number is the last 4 digits of your phone number. Once done, click Sign In. A box will appear indicating you're signed in. Click on OK. All signed in, you can now access all the resources on this page. Scroll down the page. PressReader is located on the left-hand side. Even though you've signed into the digital library, you will need to sign into the app itself. Click the green PressReader icon. You may have to clear some pop-up menus or cookies from the bottom of the page. You then have 2 ways to sign into the app, either on the right where it says Sign In, or through the main menu option, the 3 horizontal lines on the left. A box will appear. Choose the Library Group option. Type Newfoundland in the search bar provided. Click on Newfoundland and Labrador Public Libraries. Now enter your library card number and PIN. Make sure all the boxes are checked. Click Sign In. And unless you sign out, you will not have to sign in again. You can access any of the publications in the box provided. Or click Select Publication. That will clear the box from the middle of the screen. You can now sort the magazines and newspapers by country, by languages, or you can limit the publication type to just magazines or newspapers. Let's look at newspapers. There are many categories of this type of publication as well. Let's look at newspapers in Canada. There are 132 Canadian newspapers you can view with PressReader. Let's look at the National Post. When you click on the publication, it will automatically show you Page View. You then have the option to print, view in text only, or have the article read to you through the Listen option. As you scroll across the newspaper, the headlines will highlight. Click on the headlines to be able to view the article in more detail. There are thousands of magazines available as well from all over the world. You can search by title or by category. Click on the cover to open. Once you've chosen your magazine, you can flip through the magazine by dragging or swiping the pages to the left. The contents are in tabs at the bottom of the screen. If there's an article that you want to read, you can view it in page view, just as if you would see it in the physical copy of the magazine. Or in text only. By clicking on the 3 vertical stacked dots, you can open a menu for more options, such as Translate, Listen. You can even change the fonts. As you can see, I have changed the language or translated this article into German. When you click Listen, an automated voice will read the article to you. Using the app on your phone, iPad, or tablet is just as easy. The options within the app are the same regardless of your device. Let's set up the app now on your tablet or iPad. First, find your App Store. Search for PressReader by typing PressReader in the search bar. Tap Get or Download. Tap Open. Sign in is on the left-hand side on the bottom of the screen. A box will appear. Tap the 3rd circle icon from the left. It looks like a library card. Now type Newfoundland in the search bar. Or Newfoundland with an N in the search bar. Tap Newfoundland and Labrador Public Libraries. Now enter your 13-digit library card number and your 4-digit PIN and click Sign In. You're all signed in. Before we get started exploring PressReader, let me answer a frequent question. What is a hotspot? Hotspots are authorized Wi-Fi for downloading publications. You can just open up your laptop, tablet, or smartphone in one of the designated Wi-Fi zones called PressReader hotspots and read any newspaper or magazine for free. The Globe and Mail, for instance, can only be downloaded using an authorized hotspot or library Wi-Fi. The hotspot map will show you where these hotspots can be found. Let's look at magazines. Tap the magazine button. As with newspapers, you can sort or limit by category, country, and language. Choose a magazine you want to read and tap. You can set to automatically download new issues as they are available. You must be connected to the internet to download, but you can view your downloaded magazines anytime. You can also download back copies. Now enjoy your magazines and newspapers for free, courtesy of the Newfoundland and Labrador Public Libraries and PressReader. Happy reading! Thank you. If you have questions or concerns, please contact your local library. Contact information can be found at www.nlpl.ca under the tab Contact. Have a great day.